Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is Mary Balogun, and if you are new here, welcome, and if you have been here for a while, I am sorry, I've been MIA, but I am back. Happy New Year to you all. I wanted to kick off this year with a hair video. So, I wanted to start 2021 off with a bang and show you guys how to achieve this look. So this is a kinky straight ponytail on my laid down natural hair, and this ponytail is from Beauty Forever on Aliexpress, and I'll leave the link down below. But if you want to know how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. Hey guys, so it has been a while. Happy New Year. 2021 is shaping out to be great, hopefully after the 7-day trial. But anyway, we are doing a ponytail. I got this kinky straight ponytail from Aliexpress. It's from Beauty Forever. I'll leave the link down below. I purchased it with my own money. This is not sponsored. It's just a look. I was actually inspired by Any Given Sunday. She has a YouTube channel here, and her Instagram, I follow both. She is a fellow Yoruba girl like myself, and I love her channel and her content, and she is also a naturalista, and she had a kinky straight ponytail that she did on her slick back hair, and I love the look. I think it's very chic. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. So I washed it last night, deep conditioned overnight, washed out my deep conditioner this morning. Lay it down right now. I'm going to use Ecostyler Gel, and I'm also going to use this product that my sister swears by that really lays down the hair, and it's this Slick and Slay hair gel by She Is Bomb collection. So you guys are going to see me use this on top of the Ecostyler Gel. I forgot to mention, of course, you'll need a rat tail comb because I'm doing a middle part today. So make sure you have that handy. Alright, now let's get into it. I'm sure I have both of my gels open and ready to go. Gonna start laying down this back portion. Now that I have that back section done, now I'm gonna go straight in on the top. And I'm going in with the Ecostyler Gel first as a preliminary layer, and then I'll go in with the She Is Bomb. Future Mary here. So guys, I realized that I was doing this all wrong. So do you see the way that I keep sweeping my hands to the back of my hair and then sweeping it all back? What I should have been doing was sweeping it down toward my ears, perpendicularly to the part. So for a middle part ponytail, especially a low ponytail, you want to bring the hair down toward the ears and then back, down toward the ears and then back in a low ponytail. Don't do this. Luckily, I have a sister who was able to point out my issue later, and you'll see how I was able to fix it, and she was able to help me fix it later. So the reason why I'm not using the She Is Bomb by itself is it's a really like gummy gel, but the way it holds and shines is unmatched. I just can't imagine using it for my entire head because you probably, just because of the texture, you'll probably use way too much. Back again. Okay, so here I am fixing my mistake before the gel dries. So with natural hair, you want to be really careful, obviously, with manipulating your hair when it's dry, especially dried because of gel. So you want to be really careful if you do happen to make the same mistake, but that's what I'm here for. You don't have to do that. but I'm just quickly fixing the mistake before the gel dries with the help of my sister. Okay, everyone, here I am. So this method, which is what I should have started with, but like I said, that's what sisters are for, right? So this method coming this way, so kind of perpendicular to the part. You don't want to make the middle part and sweep it back like I was doing. Maybe you do. It looks cute, but it's just a different way of doing it. This way, sweeping the hair perpendicular to the part emphasizes the part more. All the hair is coming down and then back to the ponytail, as opposed to back this way as I had it before. So this ponytail is a drawstring ponytail. So see how it looks? It has that, like, the little mesh pocket, the actual drawstring, and all you do, see if I can show you guys this. Try to turn it on. All you do is, there's two combs. So what I do first to secure it, I don't quite love the combs, to be honest, but I do use them to first secure the ponytail. And so I put the two combs, one at the base, one at the bottom, find the drawstring, pull it, pull the drawstring plastic thingy, and the ponytail is on. Alright? Oh, didn't like being away from you guys for that long. I wrap the drawstring around the base of the ponytail. Then what you can also do to just hide the comb and everything that's happening back there is you take a piece of the hair, maybe like this much or so, and you wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And this is what we are working with now. I want to try something. I'm going to try it on camera. I don't know if it's going to work, but you know those like puff ponytails that people do? Since this is so full, I want to try that look today. I have 1,000,001 hair ties on my table in front of me, so just gonna go for it. Start at the top. So for this, you want it to be like kind of like a perfect puff at the top. Now I'm not sure if I wanna, yeah, I'm gonna wanna tie it around at least twice. These hair ties are from Amazon, so they're super tight. Like, they're brand new and super tight. So I'm just gonna do the first one and then puff it out. It looks kind of cute. And then go for the next one, maybe an inch below it. Wrap it around twice. Puff it out. Ooh, it's looking cute, y'all. Maybe push it up a little bit so it could be more round. Yes, that works. We're doing something. There's something happening here. Fluff it out. Push it up. And I think we can do one more. You guys can see, I'll back up a little bit. And for the bottom one, since we're at the bottom, it's going to need 3 loops around. Fluff it out. Push it up. And it's a whole look, you guys. It is a whole look. So these are our ends. Okay, we might have just did something. So I am going to do my makeup and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And that's it, guys. All done. So this is the final look. Obviously, beat the face. If you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, this video will be coming straight after this one. So make sure you are tuned in and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you press that notification bell so you get notified of any new uploads so that you can know how I achieved this look.